Morning, guys. It's day 3. I don't have a voice. I'm tired. Everything hurts. But we got Klaus. He's fueled up, ready to go. I'm gonna add some more air to the rear tires because these ones are super grippy and I'm not too good. So we'll start off with a little more air. I'm starting to get the hang of it. Starting to, really slowly. But drifting a 1200 horsepower 1200 horsepower drag car. So it's lots of fun, but head out on the track. Let's do it. All right, guys, we got Brian's drift car. He said I could take the Z for a spin. Woo. Full on angle kit, all that fun stuff. So we're gonna try it out, see how it goes.
Everybody let Carl know that it helps if you clean the lens before you shoot a video. Anybody know how to say this word?
Hey, what gear does
Don't you shake your head, no. You get in that shit.
What gear does Brian's car like?
Probably third.
Third?
I think 2 or 3, I don't know.
Okay, we'll try it out.
Guess.
Guess.
Dude, plant this thing firmly in that door.
This ain't no 12-second race. I need angle.
Need less power, bro.
Yeah. But what did you just say?
Bro, I watched that and I was like, there goes Chris. How dirty? Ooh, barrier sideways.
It's done. Oh!
Damn.
Shit. Fuck these blocks.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know why they're down here. At least make them at the top of the track. So
Bro,
we don't go flying down
you drove
here.
this here, didn't you?
No.
Did you trailer it? Okay.
Probably so we don't press the beautiful wall.
I mean, I would have them more at the top so you don't.
They have to be.
So you just bounce instead of smashing. That had to have been part of the car. Chris, you can't park there.
Yeah. No shit.
I didn't want to say it because his feelings looked hurt.
He's a good sport about it. It's just a drift car.
He's like, nah, dude, I drove this to work. It's my daily. Do
Fuck.
I have to pick up parts?
Is it bad that I can hear you up here going, I need more power? Z gets down. I felt like an actual drifter going door to door with people. Chad got some good footage. We were going door to door with Chris Parker, and then the car just kind of slid off. It went gone. It gone. We told him we couldn't park there, so we're good. But we're gonna get back in Klaus and see if I can drift it again. Round and round we go. Tires are sent. I don't even know where the ones we just took off are. Well, did a bunch of tires. I'm putting these takeoffs back on that are almost done for. We're gonna do a couple more laps and then pop the tires. It's so hot, as you can see out here. It's time to load up. I got some seat time.
It's the last day, the last couple laps, last bit of tire, last bit of fuel. Let's see what we can do. I went to grab the part and it wasn't. blow them off.
In my rear view mirror, I see all the tires just going. That is it for day 3 of Hoodstock 2. Klaus ripped. That very last pass was absolutely perfect. As we were going around the big bank, tires blowing up, out of gas, out of tires, out of energy.
I'm tired. Surprisingly not hungover. Like miraculously, actually. Somebody has to be dead. There has to be a body somewhere because I put 50 beers in that cooler. And I said, if there's one in here in the morning, I'll be upset with you. And I don't know who drank all our beers, but they're all gone.
Yeah, guys. Well, I ended off there. It's a fun weekend. I hope you guys finally got some action that you wanted instead of us working on cars.
It's all the same.
Yeah. Hey, we'll see you on the next one.